Hi guys. Today, we're talking about the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs, a great opportunity for businesses to access term loans for purchasing equipment and machinery. Let's take a look at what this scheme offers. The Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs or MCGS MSME has been introduced as per the guidelines of the National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company or NCGTC. This scheme provides guarantee coverage for term loan assistance of up to 100 crore rupees to eligible micro, small, and medium enterprises for projects involving the purchase of equipment or machinery. The eligible borrowers under this scheme must be engaged in manufacturing activities and should have a valid Udyam registration number at the time of loan sanction. Additionally, the borrower's account should not be classified as a non-performing asset with any lender at the time of sanction or disbursement. The eligibility criteria require that the scheme covers both new and existing projects or units. At least 75% of the project cost must be allocated for equipment or machinery. The scheme is admissible for all business activities. The nature of the facility provided under this scheme is a term loan. The maximum loan amount eligible for guarantee support is 100 crore rupees. The margin requirement for the term loan is 25% of the project cost. The repayment period for a loan under this scheme varies based on the loan amount. For term loans up to 50 crore rupees, the repayment period is up to 10 years, including a 2-year moratorium period on principal installments. For term loans above 50 crore rupees, the repayment period is up to 15 years, including a 3-year moratorium period on principal installments. The guarantee coverage under this scheme is provided by NCGTC for loans up to 100 crore rupees. This scheme is housed under the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme Trust for MSMEs and is managed by the National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company Limited, which operates under the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. In conclusion, the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs empowers eligible enterprises by facilitating easier access to collateral-free term loans, encouraging investment in equipment and machinery. To know how you can benefit from this scheme, reach out to your nearest Bank of Maharashtra branch. In the next episode, we'll address some of the most common queries and clarifications related to the scheme to help you understand it even better. See you in the next episode.